This is the COMFEE Mini handle. Plenty of room inside for a 9-inch loaf pan or cake pan. Basic rack. 1, 2, 3 levels. Nice solid drip pan. Basket for air frying. Also comes in really handy as a rack, a cooling rack when you turn it upside down. Little trick I learned last night. The controls are all analog, so you've got a push button light, power indicator. It's not too bright and not too dim either. Power turns on the fan immediately. It's a little tough to turn it off, but you can hear the audible ding there to let you know when your things are done. The temperature control, nice and smooth. I tested it. I baked at 375 last night, and I used my little oven gauge inside, and it was spot on. One little anomaly is when the oven is at temperature, the control gets really a little firm down here, and then it tends to feel really loose up top from the 350 to 450 range. Not a problem though. The functions, bake, broil, so on and so forth. They're not explained in the manual, but the icons are pretty self-explanatory. Toast, air fry, full broiler, and bake feature with the high fan. It has 2 fan speeds. Low speed for regular baking, and then a higher speed for other items. It vents from the back upward and outward, so the top and sides stay fairly cool. They do get a little hot to the touch at higher temperatures, but not enough to really be a concern. It does need some ventilation room, but overall it's a wonderful little oven. I baked chicken nuggets in here. They turned out perfectly. I baked a pan of brownies, a 9x9-inch pan, worked perfectly. And last night I baked a lemon poppy seed loaf, and also excellent results. So, nice little oven. I love it.